was raining so bad, and then I came over to
Yeah.
your house and we let off fireworks.
It's gonna be so anticlimactic.
It's gonna go. Ah, it's done.
Yeah. And then Leah dies.
Shake it up! Shake it up in the thing!
Put
Put the lid on and shake it!
Shake it!
I don't think we have enough baking soda.
Get!
Oh!
I don't think it's... We didn't have enough
Wait,
baking
wait,
soda.
wait, Nick, Nick. Hit it with this. Hit it with that. No, just hit it.
Do it! Can I do it?
Hold on.
Shake it more!
Ah!
Do it! Hurry,
Go
get
get
it! Go!
That was awesome.
I love Mountain Dew, but that's so gross.
I don't know where it went.
Oh, you can smell it in the air.
Yeah.
Ah.
I smell like vinegar and piss.
Ah.
Ah!
We're getting another one.
Good.
Hey, room justice.
Oh wait.
I don't think you're gonna need
Are we gonna have? We're gonna.
What do we?
Wait, is the cap available?
The cap is right here.
Okay.
What do I do?
Okay, so I'm gonna pour this in there first.
Okay.
We're gonna see if it explodes. If it doesn't, hack away, my friend. Pour it.
Cap it.
Wait, we'll put the lid back on. No.
Put the cover on. Go. Now shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
Shake weight.
I'll take the 1995.
Throw it at the ground. Like
Wait,
you're
wait,
angry.
wait.
Okay.
I just want a picture of you.
Hack at it. Hack at it.
Oh, it's too close to the car.
Bring it over here. Oh, yeah, kick it over here.
And my axe.
Guys, this isn't redneck at all.
We all have teeth. No, it's not.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, boo boo.
Wait,
You gotta put some oomph into
before
it.
this continues, is anyone here married to their cousin?
Nope.
Okay.
I was. Does that count?
It might need more
I don't think it's
baking
full
soda.
enough anymore.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
it's just
I think it might be air.
Baking soda.
We need more pressure.
Is the bottom bubble pushing out?
Yeah.
Then you might not want to open it because it's pressurized.
Shake it up and then like, that thing.
Put some oomph into it.
Just blows
Smells
up.
like that and it's this big.
I can hear a pistol like it's
Go back to where you came.
Oh, my hand smells so disgusting. I can do it again.
Did it blow up?
Oh.
Victorious. Smells like soap and
I guess soap and ass smells like victory.
Do you guys recycle?
why does the front yard smell like that?
Why do you have to?
Don't worry about it.
Guys.
I had a full jug of beer.